Blade width and the curve you can cut are related. Wider blades, like this one, cannot cut sharp or tight curves. Narrower blades, like this one, are designed to cut sharp curves and do a very good job at it. Let's look at an example of a 1/4 inch blade. We will always have a 1/4 inch blade set up on one of our bandsaws. Look how tight or sharp of a radius it can cut. Now let's take a look at a 1/2 inch blade. We generally have our other bandsaw set up with this blade. Remember, it cannot cut tight curves, but it can and is designed to cut large curves.